Welcome to Yagna Investment Academy. In our earlier videos, we've seen what is a mutual fund. We've also seen what is a debt mutual fund. So let's go a step ahead and classify the debt mutual funds. So whenever it comes to investing into debt mutual funds, the two most important factors are time and risk. The time that we have for our investment and the risk that we can take. So let's get started and see the classification of debt mutual funds on the time basis. The first type of fund is liquid or money market fund. This is basically a parking sort of fund. Whenever your investment horizon is 1 to 90 days, these are the funds which will suit your need. Whenever you have surplus funds into your savings account and you're yet to decide where exactly to invest them, you should park those funds into liquid or money market funds. These basically invest into treasury bills, which are nothing but short term government securities. These funds have given returns of about 7 to 8% on an annual basis in the past 5 to 10 years. The next category is ultra short term funds. Whenever your investment horizon is 3 to 6 months, these are the funds for you. These basically invest into treasury bills, which are short term government securities, and commercial papers, which are short term securities issued by companies. These funds have also given returns of about 7 to 8% on an annual basis in the past 5 to 10 years. Next come the short-term funds. Whenever your investment horizon is 6 to 12 months, these are the funds for you. These funds invest into commercial papers, which are short-term securities issued by companies. These commercial papers have maturity of less than 1 year. These funds have given returns of about 7.5 to 8.5 on an annual basis in the past 5 to 10 years. The next category is of medium term funds. Whenever your investment horizon is 1 to 3 years, these are the funds for you. These funds invest into medium term corporate bonds, which are issued by companies, and medium term debentures, which are issued by financial institutions. Last category is of long term funds. Whenever your investment horizon is more than 3 years, these are the funds for you. These funds invest into long term government securities issued by state and central government and long term corporate deposits issued by companies. These funds have given returns of about 8 to 9% on an annual basis in the past 5 to 10 years. Hope the video has given you a good view on the classification of debt mutual funds based upon the time horizon. Thanks for watching the video. Watch this space for more such topics. Until then, happy investing.